See, that letter is specified for the people because people brought objections. So they came to us because the panchayat has no say. Okay, and that is the Supreme Court order that is passed. That panchayat has no say, and the people, affected people, have to come. They have to personally fight. Okay, then people gave their objection to us, and then we discussed this matter with the RVNL. Okay, and we had a VDC meeting, discussion was done, everything is there. And after discussion, we wrote to RVNL discussing these points which were there, and we have not given NOC. Why should does Panchayat has right to give NOC? Panchayat is having land somewhere to give for double tracking. We don't have anything, and we don't have any right to give. How can anywhere it is written on that letter there is NOC, it is a NOC from the Panchayat to do the work?
It is mentioned sustainable development according to them.
Yeah.
What
is sustainable development? You tell. It is the air pollution, noise pollution which is there. That is to be brought to control. People are suffering. So there is no road, the waterways are blocked. All those things are to be channelized first. They are coming to our jurisdiction. They are doing the work without even, first of all, demarcating the area. They are doing the work without even having any plans with them. We asked for plans. They are giving us the plans of Kansauli. And now the latest plan they gave us, that is not showing anything in this area. That means our people have to suffer.
So your stand is opposed to coal?
I have been and I'll continue to oppose this. I am not supporting. That is very clear. I have always been, and till last month I have been standing there with people. I am with my people because they are opposing double tracking. I am with them and I'll remain with them.
October 2022, which was dismissed on the grounds that the Vidya project and under Railway Act Clause 11. Okay. Then a review petition was taken up in Supreme Court in May 23. That Supreme Court order is here, which says, which instructs the individual, affected individual should file, and the panchayat has no say.
So that means the panchayat cannot interfere with
Now, to that extent we have gone. It's nothing, as you all are saying, or anyone is saying, that I have given this, what is that, NOC. You all can read on this letter, if any NOC is given by Sarpanch to anyone, तुम वासु पढ़ाई करे वाचाए. I have only demanded some things for them because they don't have road.
Village Development Council गेले mandate की था to talk only about development issues pertaining to the village. I think I get gaila that development and sustainable development म्हणून gaila. त्या VDCन कांयच wrong केलं ना as per that letter. कोणा ती letter नाल्यार हांव दाखयता आसलो तुका. ते points raise केले ते they are asking for clarification. Clarification मागला कित्याक कोणाक RVNL तुम्ही हे बांधतात ते तुम्ही लोकांक गेले वाटे हे कोता उदक वचपाचे रेन वॉटर ओके ते स्टॉर्म वॉटर ड्रेन्स आहाय त्यो पुरयतात. All that issues are raised here. The VDC is only asking for clarification. Yeah, काल बोर्ड घातात एक video चोयला मी. I was laughing to myself because they do not know what is the mandate of the VDC. VDC is not here to oppose the double tracking. It is not their duty. They are only to talk about the development issues. Development किती लोकांगे आत हिंगा आम साइडीन राइट हँड साइड रेल्वे आहा आर पार लोक वयतला आत गाडी वयता माझी वयशी न्हय वत गाडी वयतले लोकांक ते साइडीन लँडलॉक जातले तो बिफोर कन्स्ट्रक्टिंग ते VDC इंचाता तुम्ही कितको हे लोकांगे मिटिगेट इश्यूज आहाय मिटिगेट कितको कोत्ताय ते हेणे VDCन ब्लँकेट चेक दिलो ना RVNLाक. So why this is misconstrued and लोकांक कित्याक मिसगायड कोताय आयज तुमी चोयलां ग्राम सभा more than 90% or 95% of the people have acknowledged that the VDC has done no wrong. All the there were 6 panchas there. One, of course, is absent because on maternity issues. But so panchas आसले, तर VDC member आसले, Gram Sabha आसली, आणि तुम्ही चोयलां the uproar that was caused. येशकोन गांवां मिसलीड कोना काय हांव पत्ते म्हूण मागता आमी सगळे एक जावपा जाय. वी ओपोज डबल ट्रॅकिंग, वी ओपोज कोल आनी आमी करीत आहात. आमकां ओपोज कोनाका, आमकां ओपोज कोन म्हूण कांयच मेळपाना. तुमी येयात, मार्गा येयात, रस्त्यार येयात, मिटिंगे येयात. कितले मिटिंग येयले ते आमी गोंयचे कोर्टार 85 मिटिंग्स. एक मिटिंगेक 1,500 लोक आसलेलो. इवन one of the leaders were here from the opposition. They were all here. आणि तुम्ही आमकां ओपोज कोन कितें मेळटलें? आमकां ओपोज कोन रेल्वे बंद जातली और रेल्वे ओपोज कोन रेल्वे बंद जातली. सो तुमी आमकां कितें अटॅक कोतात? तुमी येयात हांगा परा, आमकां तुमकां ना म्हणा. If you have guts, come and associate with us. Don't give these silly bites and disturb the peace in the village.
So
This is not done.
Yeah. Sir, there is one more point which was raised by the other person about that Kotan Gele. What is that court?
See, the Panchayat, I think it was in 2022, approached the High Court and the petition was dismissed. Subsequently, in 23, the Panchayat, in 22, late 22, again they approached the Supreme Court. And because of some verdict in another village, that petition was dismissed, stating that the Panchayat has no say in the linear projects. And if any linear projects, like 3 linear projects, and if the individuals have anything, they can of course go to the judiciary to appeal in their as individuals, because Panchayat is not owning any land here.
आज आमची ग्रामसभा आसली आनी हांवें जे मुगे प्रपोजल केलो डबल ट्रॅकाक आनी जाता तुमचे काल बायटाचे हांवें इंटरव्यू दिल्ली की ते हिंगा पंचायत आनी VDC मेंबर्स खंयचेय कडेन म्हूण हांवें म्हूण की वी आर ओपोजींग द डबल ट्रॅक. हे क्वेश्चन हांवें घायल्लें पूण आज सरपंचा कडेन एक हें ना सांगपाक, ओपनली सांगपाक की येस वी आर ओपोजींग टील टुडे आमी ओपोज कोताय म्हूण सांगपाक तेंको जाल ना. आनी जे हांव मुगे रेज कोता तेणी थोडेशे मनीस हाडले मुगेले आवाज बंद करपाक. पूण आय डोंट केअर, हांव तें केअर कोना. कित्याक एज अ सिनियर सिटीजन आज पासून हांवें मुगे वेल्सां पासून जाय तें केलां आनी लोक म्हाका मुखार येता, मुजबुगले येताय टू रेज दीस क्वेश्चन आनी त्या पासून हांवें लोकां पासून तें रेज केलें. पूण आज म्हाका दुसरें सांगपाक जाय. आतां तुमकां हांवें दाखयलां ते भाशेन डिसेंबराचे 20 तारीख ते 21 तारखेक म्हाका चोवपाक जाय ह्या लोकांक कसले त्रास जातले आनी कितें जाता तें थिंगा. कित्याक हे जे मनीस आहाय आपण वेलसांव राखोंडार म्हणटा ते तांकां हांव चॅलेंज कोता की तांकां ते दाखयताले लेटरां ते सांगताय आपण हिंग लेटर केली, तुमगे लेटरां युजलेस, तुमकां कोणें रिस्पेक्ट दिल ना लेटरांक. हें तुमी थिंगा सोबे म्हाजो दाखयलां. पूण हांव सांगूं सोदतां की आज सरपंचा तोंडांतल्यान उतर येयल्यान तुमकडे गोडे बायट आसतलो. जेन्ना हायकोर्टान जे पंचायत गेलोले ऑनरेबल हायकोर्ट dismiss the case of the panchayat because of the double track. ते आज सांगता. दुसरे ते सांगता they went to the honorable Supreme Court आणि सुप्रीम कोर्टान तुवें मुळटे केस भायर पडली. पण हांवें ताका क्वेश्चन केलें ह्यो तुवें केन्ना कोणाक सांगलो न्हय, ग्रामसभा दिकून तुवें केन्ना सांगलो न्हय ऑनरेबल हायकोर्ट.
somebody म्हणटा हांव अरे एग्जाम्पल घेया, हांव जेन्ना तुकडे कश्टन कोत्ता आनी जेन्ना हांव म्हजे पॉयंट रेज करता तेन्ना दुसरो इंटरप्ट कित्याक करता बिकॉज द आन्सर यू हॅव टू गिव्ह हो मनीस तो तांबड्या शर्ट घालून आसलेलो आख्खी ग्रामसभा ते डिस्टर्ब केल्यात आनी हे तुमकां सगळे प्रेसाचे कळटले तो कोणाक उलोवपा दिना तो रघोजी सरा उलोवपा दिना आमचे सिनियर सिटीजन जे आहा ते बाय बेशली जावं बाय फातिमा जावं जायतो गांवचो लोक आसलेलो त्याचे डिफरंट डिफरंट वॉयस आसलेले ते कडेन कोणाकूच तो उलोवपा दिना जालो इंटरप्ट आनी दीस वॉज लायक अ गेम आयज कळ्ळी मॅडम पॉलिटिक्स शिकली तूं बट डोंट वरी दिसान संवसार काबार जायना वी आर स्टील हियर वी आर स्टील ऑन आवर फीट आमकां आयज कळोन येयला आयज जेन्ना तुका पॉयंट रेज केलो तेन्ना तुकडे जावं ना तेच आन्सर दिवपाक